Welcome back to Belle's Learning Corner. Today we are going to talk about a story, The Frog Who Was Afraid to Hop. Frank Frog was a nice green frog who lived in a nice blue pond. Frank was good at swimming, swim. Frank was good at croaking, croak. Frank was good at everything except hopping. Hop, said his frog friends, but Frank was afraid. What if I hop too high? What if I hurt my leg? What if I jump up and bump my head? He cried. Frank was so afraid to hop that he never even tried. One day, two kids came to the pond. Look at that nice green frog. I'll catch him, said the boy. Frank was afraid. He was so afraid that hop, he hopped away. Then he hopped again and again and again and again. Hop, hop, hop. Frank hopped so far away, the boy could not catch him. Hooray, said his frog friends. You finally learned how to hop. After that, Frank was the best hopper in the whole pond, especially when kids came by. Okay, so that is a story for today. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.